Here's the park we're detecting today. This is from Hat Cam. A lot of old trees here. I've not searched in this area. I did the basketball court somewhat around. Found a ring over here, and I found actually I found two rings over here on this side, and I found two other rings over here. A silver one, that little Warner Brothers one with the cartoon characters, and that bling bling ring, and then I had a bling bling here and a stainless steel ring over here, right by those trees there, and a lot of coins and quarters and all kinds of junk through here, and but I haven't done over here, so I'm going to do some areas I normally don't do, see if I can get some more rings. Like that last video I just posted, I found 3 rings, and that just one afternoon, so that was pretty cool. All right. Okay, we're recording from both. So today we have it on Park 2, 15 hertz. We have the auto ground balance, so it's at 1, but it'll probably go up to 6 or something like that when I'm done. It does it pretty quick, so I don't even mess with it. And maximum volume. We got no threshold. If you had headphones, you might want to run a little. Some people do, some don't. And all tones. I rejected 8. Let's see, -4. If you go back here, normally you'll see that. But if you see here, right there is where it stays, and that's -4. Sometimes you get jewelry in that area, so we're going to leave it there. And every time you turn it off, it resets it back to 0. 0 is the default on discrimination. So. Alright, and we're going to do, let's see, what else here? 1 on the separation, which gives you a broader area, covers a broader area. And being that I'm running like 15 probably on the sensitivity, maybe down to 10 on the sensitivity, you can get away with 1, it seems like, in this part, because I found all those rings yesterday, or a couple days ago. So we're going to run that today too. So let's see how it works out. And again, we're at 15 right now on the sensitivity. So, all metal mode. We're going to start over here at the corner. We're going to kind of grid this out a little bit, I think. Normally, I mean, who starts a search on this side of the park? I was way over there by the basketball, way over there for those rings that I found. So, hey, people come running to the park, doing their jumps on their bike and all that, so who knows what's over here. Okay. Sprinkler head. Starting off with a 66, 65. I think that's on the surface there. Yeah. So let's see. I don't think it's a big target. Right there. Okay. Probably a penny. That's my guess is. Oh, I didn't bring my big old shovel either. Probably going to try to use that a little bit today too. Should be on the surface here, whatever it is. This ground is really dry, so it's not going to come out of the ground very well. Oh, there it is, penny. Our first find for the day, a memorial penny. Yay! Memorial penny. Alright, with that, I have a feeling we're going to find lots of pennies over here. Lots of pennies. I did bring my semi-probe root cutter. It's a drywall saw. You'll see how good it works on the roots if we have to use it. That was it for there. So 25. Sprinkler head. $25, $29. A lot of junk in here. I wonder if I lower it down, sensitivity. Let's see what happens here. That's a 60. Let's go with that one right here. Should be right there. Oh, that's pretty close. Okay. Where'd it go? Okay. Oh, this grass is really dry. Oh my gosh. And there's a lot of roots here. This is when you want your shovel, because it can really power in here. Sometimes you can't retrieve your treasure. Some foil, but it's not picking it up. Ah. Sounds like it's on this side a little bit more. Oh man. This is when you want the drywall cutter here. There's a big old root right here. Right there. And then there's one here. Not sure if that's going to be worth it or not. Well, there you go. That's why you get one of those little saws. And you may be able to get your target out a little easier. I don't know. Awful lot of stuff in here. That's out of the hole. Whoa, what is that? Oh, another key. Ha ha ha. A key. Somebody got locked out of the house for sure. That's a coal. Alright. That was down there a little bit, a couple inches. A little bigger target. It said it wasn't that deep. Here's the root I cut out. A half-inch root. I don't know if I would have got that out of there without cutting that root out of there. I probably would have gave up. So, little tool. Keep that in your arsenal. I got this at, I think, for free at a yard sale. I put some super glue in here because it got loose. And you can use it, I guess, for a probe a little bit. You might damage something. It's kind of, it's not like a brass one you'd rather probably prefer to get. I'm looking at getting one of those. Haven't got there yet. Alright, nothing in there. We're back on 15. It's a surface. Something on the surface here. Let's take a look and see what we got. It's over this way. I didn't pinpoint it, so it's over here a little more. Now, when the closer you get to the tree, there's usually not as many fine roots, but there are bigger roots. So you may get shut down pretty darn quick. Being if this is not on the surface here. Pretty sure this will be on the surface. Yeah, it's on the surface, so what do we have here? Just very, very dry ground. Oh, I had a feeling it was a pull tab. I'm going to see a lot of those here, probably. Black anodized 34. Okay, put that in here. The weather's really brisk today, like in the 50s, low 50s, but we have sunshine, so it's pretty cool. Let's see what we got here. There's a couple. 59, 62. Says it's a couple inches down. Yeah, it's right there. I'm gonna have to take me a coffee break here. And it didn't, yeah, it's not a big target, so it's right there. Right there. Rooty tooty, fresh and fruity soil here. Oh my gosh. I'm not getting very far in the soil here. Oh, it seems like it was just on the surface, so hopefully I can just skim it off the soil, off the top of the soil here. More like right there. Alright. Wow. That's gonna be fun trying to dig out of this. It's like right there. Right where that big old honking root is going across here. You can see that root. That's where the target is, right next to that. So if I get my Rooty Tooty Fresh and Fruity cutter and get over here a little bit, and then go like this, I just cut out a root here. Nice. I don't know if there's another one right next to it though, so I don't know. See if I can get whatever's underneath here. Just having a cow here. Garrett is having a cow. It's like right there. She's right there. Another root right there. Oh my gosh. Guys, would you keep going? Is it worth digging? Oh man. Let's see here. Trying to pinpoint it. I detuned it just a little bit. It seems like it's like right there. I don't think I'm going to get it. This particular one, because there's too many roots in the way. Wow. I mean, I could surgery right here. And then right over here. And then just pop it out. I got the one out, but not this one. This one is really in there. Let's see if I can get this out now. Alright. This one. Alright. Is it going to be worth probably the penny that I'm going to dig out of here? I think I'm wasting too much time here. Oh. Okay. Wow. If it's going to go any deeper, this is it. This is it. Wow, it's like right there. Was it worth that penny? I should put a poll on here. Oh, that is a crusty penny too. Crusty penny. Alright. Maybe not worth it, but hey, if it was reading up silver, would you go for it? I think I would. Put all the roots back in here. Alright. Anyway, it's a little tool I could not have gotten that out of there without the little saw. So maybe I'll do a video just on that. Tree surgery for coin tree surgery. That was it. Let me go around here first and just see if there's any other decent targets. Looking for something really solid. Wow, so many roots here. Alright, I'm gonna head out this way. Some metal over here to my right. It's 34, 24. Sounds like a couple targets almost. Oh, is that metal? Or is that just a piece of plastic? See if it's down close here. I can pick it up. Yeah, right here. Next to the tree, of course. I think I might go out just straight on out. Right here. Gosh. Can't even get down a little bit. Oh, man. Okay, Garrett, you're freaking out on me again. Too close to the knife, huh? Wow. Oh, man. Thank goodness it's in here. What do you think? A penny? Up there it went flying over here. Sometimes those coins will do that. That's another memorial. What is that? 1998. Looks like memorial. Okay. We are finding lots of pennies here. Somebody has not gone here before. That was on the surface. Pretty easy find. We're still on 15 sensitivity. Oh, helps if you take it off there, Ken. Alright. That was it there. Let's see. I'm trying to get away from these stinking trees. So I'm thinking about going, where would people sit at in this park? Or, you know they're going to play in the middle of it. So I'm going to turn this top camera off. Start my camera. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Give me a likes up and give me a comment. That actually, the comments and the likes actually do better than the subscribing. I'm actually averaging 300-400 or more subscribers a month, so the thumbs up do more good for me. So if you can remember to do that on all my videos, I would appreciate it, and I'll give you a thumbs up, and I'll keep making really awesome videos for you. Thanks a lot.